This is Kyle Stone Knight and D Turner doing some hunting. You can notice there's Mr. D Turner right there. Gonna go down the side of that hill right there. And creep up on them cowbirds. Let's see if I can show you all these cowbirds. Okay, see that little white speck right there? That's a cowbird. Might stick his head up in a minute. Probably getting some water. There's another one over there. Yeah, you're gonna die, cowbird. D Turner gets to you. I think they are aware of his presence. He's coming up the side of this valley. He's on the other side right there. Y'all can't see him, but he's down there. This is for the hunting channel, boys. Showing y'all how to do it right. Live action. Yee. They might be aware of his presence. Well, I'm not, 'cause I can't see shit. I think I hear him trudging through the woods. Maybe that's just the sound of running water. The drain. Oh, there he goes. There he goes, coming up out of the woods right there. Oh shit. There he goes, gonna sneak up on them cowbirds. They might be aware of his presence, they might not, I don't know. Giving them hand signals, sorry for the horrible camera action. That man just entered the woods. I'm sorry I didn't see that. He just entered the woods again. Yeah, there he goes, creeping around. A little fish splash. Oh, oh, he's going there. They are aware of his presence now. This nigga's crawling down. Ground level. I don't know what the fuck he's doing. He's fucking crawling. I swear to God if this works, I'm gonna laugh my ass off. Oh my God. He got his ass. He's down. Oh no, the screen blurred. They're beside each other.